4 dangerous Windows settings that turn them off now. Hi, I am Delower Hosain. I am here to show you those dangerous Windows settings. Number 1. Speech recording. Windows is recording your voice all the time. Without your permission. They claim it for research purposes. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Stop contributing my voice clips and turn speech recognition off. Now, Cortana will only use device-based speech recognition, which is less accurate than its cloud-based recognition engine and has limited functionality. But Microsoft will no longer transcribe or collect any of your voice recordings. Number 2. Your computer knows everything that you are typing, browsing, website or apps you are using. Even in incognito mode, Microsoft claim it's for diagnostics but not. Those are for advertising. Just follow my steps. Tailored experiences include suggestions on how to customize and optimize Windows, as well as ads and recommendations for Microsoft and third-party products and services, features, apps, and hardware for your Windows experiences. Number 3. Background apps. Select Start, then select Settings greater than Privacy greater than Background apps. Under Background apps, make sure Let apps run in the background is turned on. Under Choose which apps can run in the background, turn individual apps and services settings on or off. For those your computer wasting more CPU RAM power uses, apps are running in the background, turn all of them off. Number 4. Auto Start. Those apps are stating when you turn on your computer, those apps are also running in the background. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Startup to view a list of all apps that can start up automatically and determine which should be disabled. You can sort the list by name, status, or startup impact. A switch next to each app indicates a status of on or off to tell you whether or not that app is currently in your startup routine. To disable an app, turn off its switch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and give a thumbs up if you liked my videos.